Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And what I'm going to be doing today is a short video. It's Sunday. I wanted to make a cool weekend video for you guys. So basically, for all the new subscribers that are coming in, I wanted to make a video showing you guys what my goal is to do with this YouTube channel and with Robinhood and my portfolio and everything like that. But before I get into it and before I tell you, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so for those who are new to the channel or do not know yet what is my goal with this channel and with this portfolio, what I'm trying to do right here is I'm growing $200 up until I reach $1 million. It may seem unrealistic to reach $1 million from $200, but doing the calculations, which I'll go through in 1 second with you guys, it'll take around 4 years with compound interest, 5% growth every week to reach $1 million. I know it sounds impossible, but really quickly I'm going to go over it with you guys and how it's going to work out. Alright everybody, we're using the compound interest calculator, and I just want to go through this with you guys. So, starting off with $200, adding $0 every month, and I'm going to use years in weeks because I'm growing my account, compounding it every week instead of years like long-term investing. You'll understand it later once I actually do the calculation. So, there's 52 weeks in a year, right? And the annual interest rate, I'm trying to reach 5% every single week. So, calculate. And it's going to count, this is going to be within 1 year, correct? 52 weeks in a year, right? So, maybe it's not going to load, so alright, I'm going to do this one more time really quick, or if it doesn't work. Oh yeah, here it is. So, within 1 year, I'm supposed to be at around $2,500. And taking away the taxes on this, which I'm pretty sure are around 10 to 15%, I think we'd be at around maybe $2,200. So, if we do that, I'm going to type it in right here. That's going to be the second year, $2,200, right? It may sound impossible, but even taking off the taxes, it still is pretty, you can actually do this. You can actually get to $1 million. So within the second year, around $27,000. That's starting from a little amount of $200 and growing it to $27,000. That's insane. It's mind-blowing. And if anyone could do this, then, I mean, if it were easy, then everyone could do it and everyone could get rich. But here, let's go a little bit farther. Let's try it the third year, right? I'm pretty sure the tax for this is... Alright, so I'm 90% sure that the tax bracket on making $27,000 in a year is at around 15%. So if you take 15% from 27, and like I always do, I like to round it down because not every week will be perfect, and you won't be able to make exactly 5% every week, so maybe more or less. So 15% of 27,000 is... So even if we took off $4,800, which is around maybe 15 to 20%, 4,800, so that would mean we start off year 3 with $23,000. Alright, so you guys can see the gains actually building up right now. This is called compound interest, and what I love about it is you can actually exponentially grow your money really, really quickly. Alright, so for another 52 weeks, this is year 3 at $290,000. Let me say that one more time. $290,000, starting from $200. That's times like a lot, alright? Yes, that's a lot of money, and for this tax, I'm pretty sure it's around 30%, the highest tax bracket. So I like to always round down, so taking 30% of this, maybe it'll be around $90,000. So we start off in the last year with $200,000, correct? Taking off 30% of tax, which is actually extremely high, and I think it's kind of unfair, but government does what it has to do. And there we go, year 4, ending with $2.5 million. That's right, $1 million. It may seem impossible, but I just did the math right in front of your eyes, and it's believable. You can actually do this, and with the help of options that I just learned right now, recently in my previous videos, I showcased what I learned. And swing trading, I think it's actually very, very possible to reach this goal. And especially later on, once you get better and more experience, you can start hitting maybe more than 5% every week, like 5, 6, 7, 8% every week, to even grow way faster than how I showed you in this calculator. So going back to Robinhood, you can see that today I'm up. I mean, on Friday I was up 2.3%, around $5, which is not bad. And overall week I was break even. But since I restarted this challenge because I got into some trouble and I couldn't balance out my account, starting off, I think it was on a Friday, I boosted my account up by like $10 with a really good trade. But now, basically, the first week of the challenge, right now, I'm about break even. So it means next week I'm going to have to make around 10%. And doing the math on this, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have to reach the goal of around $235. It may seem like, whoa, dude, you're planning to make $15 from that $200 in 1 week? Even $20, I'm sorry, $20 within just 1 week. Well, I'm going to tell you, it is actually possible using swing trading techniques and good stocks that I found that I've been actually trending up. This stock, let's say for example, TVAX is the one I talk about pretty frequently, has the profit potential of hitting maybe $50, and it's at around $33 right now. So that's $17 profit. That's still like around 30 to 50% profit on this stock, which is enormous and definitely can boost your growth of your account. And I can see this goal of $1 million getting hit, and I can see that it's very possible. And I just want to show you guys, and I want you guys to follow me on my journey. If you'd like, you guys can subscribe, and every day I post videos of me trading stocks and my results every day, what I trade, what I learned. So you guys can learn from my mistakes, learn my trading techniques, learn how I do my analysis and everything like that. So you guys can too grow your money to $1 million or more. So that's just what I wanted to talk about in this video today. I wanted to walk you through my process and my thinking process of how I'm aiming for this $1 million goal and how it's actually possible to hit. And using iron condors, I think I can actually grow a bit faster than I was previously, just with swing trading, because iron condors are pretty simple strategy and it's low risk, and I really want to continue doing them. So that's just going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic week.